believe this. It's been an hour, like half an hour after my last video that I recorded everything of, and the damn things are still going strong. I mean, it's definitely been an hour after the downtown Camden Waterfront fireworks stopped, but they're still going here. Some between that bridge there, over there. They're still blowing up every once in a while over to the right. That's crazy, all the way down there. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen firework displays go on for this long, except for the ones we had at our place in the mountains that we put on our own. And we had big mortars and stuff too. But this is crazy. I had to make another part 4 and be like, they're still going. I've never, I mean, you know what? I bet you they have so many fireworks left over from the past 2 4th of Julys because of the you-know-what BS that they're using them all. That's the only thing I could think of. What else could it possibly be? I mean, they've been going for well over an hour. Insanity. There's a couple boats here now. You can't see it, but there are boats everywhere. There's Will still out there with the lit up back in blue. And there's like 4 boats here you can't see even because they're in such dark. But what do we have? Are they still going? Oh, yep. Still some off to the right. That's craziness. It looks like they're done. Well over an hour. But there's still more. Well over an hour. There's more going off over there. They're small though. Dead center of the screen. They're not mortars. That's crazy. I was over near the truck getting a drink, and there's Philly, and I heard this girl screaming, I'm engaged. So I walked over, because it was only them, and got pictures of them. Their first pictures of their engagement, I took them for them. Right with them standing right in front of the skyline of Philadelphia. Pretty cool. Lucky them. Find someone they like. They were both giddy with happiness. They're still definitely going. Maybe these are smaller people. I don't understand. Alright, I'm not going to keep recording because there's not that many going off, but I just wanted to show you. They've been going for well over an hour, and they're still going strong in some places. Be safe. Happy 4th of July.